Ito na guys ang Patapag Bridge. Ayan, nakaba, no? From this to this. Ayan. Yan na yung pinakadulo ng Pilipinas. Yata. Patapag Bridge guys. Patapag Bridge. I'm here in the famous Pagod Food Park. Ayan. Yan guys, dito na ako. Pa! Guys, hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Pawai Charts. Dadaanan namin papuntang Vigan. And in my background is the famous Pawai Charts. Ganda dito. Dami flowers. Hi guys, so we are now in Vigan. This is our last stop. Mag-stay muna kami dito for one night. Bago kami umuwi ng Pampanga bukas. Ayan, this is our room. Cute ng ating room. Cute lang yung aming room pero napakaganda, napaka-spacious niya. And importante, maganda yung AC and may bidet. Ayan. Ayun guys, kakain muna kami and then matutulog. We'll see around here in Calle Crisolo. Malapit lang kami dito. Alright, see you around. Walking at Vigan at night. Going to... Nandito tayo sa Vigan, so kailangan maghanap ng bagyo. Let's go. And rice. Ayun ang kita. Sabihan ko, kintali na. Or kita. Hi guys, good morning. Ayan, this is our last day. Uuwi na kami ng Pampanga today and we are still in Vigan, but we will roam around kasi maaga pa naman. Pa naman i-check out dito sa hotel. And we will roam around, we will check some souvenirs and we will eat some breakfast. And before we go, dapat kahapon pa tong room tour dito sa Vegan, no? I will show you around here in our room, alright? Let's go. So this is a door, of course, ayan. Pagpasok mo, ganyan yung tsura. Dito sa side yung toilet and bath nila. Actually, spacious naman yung toilet and bath nila. Naka-separate yung hindi naman naka-separate. May yung partition, yung kanilang bath sa toilet. Ayan. Okay, naman. This one, the water pressure is good. Yun nga lang, walang hot and water, pero mainit naman yung tubig. There is a full body mirror here for your selfie. And there's small vanity mirror here. There's a television. There is a small cabinets and drawers over there. Meron silang ref, mini ref. Siyempre meron silang mga pang-init ng tubig, yung mga tasa, cups, and glasses. Although they don't have any complimentary coffees and teas. Meron silang, dito, siyempre pag vegan, ganyan yung mga sinauna yung mga cabinet, di ba? There's a room for your things here. There's a safe over there. Actually, wala siyang view dito sa labas dahil it's the back of the hotel. Ayan. This is the bed. Sorry, magulo na siya kasi paalis na rin kami dito. Ayan. Kasi sakto lang yung hotel na to para sa aming dalawa and good for two. And I like the AC, malamig. And comfortability wise, okay siya. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda pa rito is the location. Napakaganda ng location niya. Just right the Calle Crisologo. Walk ka lang ng konti, Calle Crisologo na. Mayroong mga coffee shops, may mga restaurants, may supermarket, and souvenir shops and all. Ayan, kung gusto nyo magpunta ng vegan and you're looking for a hotel, I can recommend this. This is the Hotel Mercante, just in front of my vegan home. Yun lang. And, yun lang. What else? Yun lang guys. Yun lang yung pinaka-room tour ko dito sa vegan. I don't have a room tour when we are in the South Beach or in the Ilocos Norte, but I can show you some pictures. It's like this, yeah. And lang siya, normal room lang siya. Para lang may matulugan kami doon. Yun lang guys. Check out our videos and all, my videos and all.